Hello, look over back, another video magic, and today we are back with another crypto video. It's going to be a short and sweet one, ladies and gentlemen. There has been some great news. What did I tell you? What did I tell you about 2024 going to be a great year? Well, the bull run's going to come even sooner, ladies and gentlemen, because Bitcoin ETFs, all 11, has been approved according to the SEC themselves. I don't know, they got hacked, things happened. You know, it's like, okay, they posted it and then they deleted it, you know, by what Richard is saying. But I'm saying what everyone is saying is officially been approved, all 11 Bitcoin ETFs. And actually, I got from another tweet, I'll show you guys that, anyways, I saw a tweet that they said they're already going to be added from tomorrow to the Bloomberg terminal. So they're going to be tradable from tomorrow, which is absolutely crazy to me. Ladies and gentlemen, this is crazy, the effect that will happen. It will bring in people a lot. This is adoption, and you guys already know what I talk about. They're going to look into Bitcoin, and now the altcoins will start going up. Okay, this is one of us. Okay, the underdog network. And the reason why the title is what it is, Pulsechain is the best network for DeFi out there. Why? Of course, I'm not going to compare it to Bitcoin. Guys, Bitcoin doesn't even have smart contracts. It kind of counts as a savings account, right? It's kind of replicating gold with the halving event, with the 21 million cap on the supply. You know what I mean? Okay, we don't count Bitcoin. But when you talk about DeFi, when you talk about low transaction fees, Ethereum, okay, is the land of whales, and we all know it. But what can I tell? What would you say when I tell you Ethereum has a little brother that can do more things and does everything that Ethereum does perfectly? Pulsechain, ladies and gentlemen. And I'm going to tell you all the reasons why Pulsechain is very bullish. Okay, and we're going to start with the number one thing, okay, is that it is doing, thanks to Richard Hart, the man himself, who, by the way, is fighting an SEC case right now for us, for our freedom to use blockchain from around the world, communicate. If you think about it, blockchain is a communication system. Let me communicate. What's wrong with that? It's my right. So I respect Richard Hart. He is after true decentralization. When you talk about Pulsechain, I want to hear you guys understand this, that this is true decentralization. When you go to PulseX, no. You're not able to just open it for pulsex.com. No, it's decentralized for robustness and privacy. It's an IPFS, ladies and gentlemen, interplanetary file system, okay, where anyone can host this as long as the hash is obviously equal and the same. That means, and also you can literally run your own DEX locally and host it on your own laptop anywhere you are. You don't have to rely for a website to be up or down. You download the software and you're interacting straight to the blockchain with your MetaMask. Remove the risk of a middleman attack, remove the risk of centralizing your DEX with someone else. We've seen a lot of hacks happen left and right. Okay, so I'm just gonna say PulseX is doing things right, but as I was saying, the point forward is that it's running the biggest airdrop in history. Yeah, if you were holding, this is just before the snapshot taken. When the snapshot was taken just before Pulsechain was launched, every holder on Ethereum with their tokens, it got cloned over into Pulsechain for free. With actually, and this is actually where all the tokens that I'm going to talk about today, okay, where they've not only airdropped the people and their holders, they also cloned those tokens over in Pulsechain so they can give people another chance to give those tokens value. And guess what? Some of those tokens that can get their value, they can also outrun the original token that they were, cloned from Ethereum. Ladies and gentlemen, this is huge. And I'm going to bring an example, okay? And it is CRO. Potentially this could be one of the first PRC20s, the cloned ones from Ethereum, to reach back to its parity. CRO is very close. I believe it's like a 4x back to its price, to original price. And guess what, ladies and gentlemen? You understand that once this happens, it can actually surpass the price in ERC20. So you understand this dynamic, what's happening. This has never been done before in Pulsechain. Okay. And this leads me to the next thing. I've made a video on this, ladies and gentlemen. I don't want to hear nobody saying, oh, you know, you should have made more videos about this. No, 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 no. I made a video talking about I bought Bitcoin at $100. And guess what? I'm making this video because I care about you guys. I make videos. It's like a documentary for you and me. It's a two bird, one stone thing. Okay? The price of Bitcoin right now, $57. Imagine you being able to buy Bitcoin back in $57. I don't know what. Back in 2014, 15, when it was $57. Crazy. You have that chance right now, right here. And guess what? This PWBTC, right? The P is just to indicate that it's on Pulsechain. This WBTC on Pulsechain, that supply is 155k only, or 100 something k. We can check it out right now. Let's do it live. Let's go. Let's open blockchain, the pulse scanner. There you go. 154,000 WBTCs. Is crazy, ladies and gentlemen. So imagine when this now goes to parity, which is 40k plus. Imagine when you see the effect of ETFs. People are going to come into Pulsechain because they're like, whoa, I want to learn about DeFi. What is the best DeFi network? I swear to God. In my opinion, not financial advice, it's Pulsechain. Cheap as hell transaction fees. We're talking about 100th of a cent compared to Ethereum. Right? And keep in mind, Pulsechain is a fork of Ethereum, but tweaked to be better. They didn't break anything. They didn't change anything that has been working. No. They just made it better. And it does everything that Ethereum can, and matter of fact, better, with the world's free biggest airdrop. And the second thing, you can run as many transactions as possible because it's so cheap, and I believe it's quicker block time speeds, so that's great as well. And guess what? The fact that it's lowered fees, ladies and gentlemen, you understand that when bull run comes, Ethereum is going to be, we're looking at fees that could reach above $100 per transaction. Tell me if that's going to be worth your money. Why would you want to lose money where if you want to take $150 profit of an investment and it's going to cost you $100 and now you're left with $50? And matter of fact, that $50 is not even going to cover the next gas fees. So actually, you're left with minus $50 for the next transaction. Tell me how that makes sense. I love what Richard Hart is advocating for. He's fighting the fight for us. Okay? So this is why I like this network. You know what I mean? We're not trying to be, we're not trying to create the next big network, from innovating from the next big network. It's what other people do on top of Pulsechain that makes it count. It's the community, ladies and gentlemen. The layer 2s. Okay, we're talking about stuff like SparkSwap. We're talking about liquid loans. We're talking about Fetch, Oracle. You guys seen it. You guys heard of it. You have to watch my videos. So have you been living under a rock? If you are new to Pulsechain and this is your first video, I don't blame you. Go watch my other videos. Subscribe for more. Become a member. Support my channel. Got these members right here looking at my members only videos of stuff that I'm holding outside of Pulsechain. That's besides the point. But hey, I'm following the money where it is. So don't judge. Crypto is a soul of sport at the end of the day. Okay, don't marry. I'm not telling you to just trade in Pulsechain. No. That's a 101 rookie mistake. Okay, but I'm just saying that my favorite network that I spend more time in and probably have more money in is Pulsechain, because I believe it is an underdog. 2024 is going to be an interesting year. Look at the charts of you got teddy bear going on. The narratives here with DAI pegging to $1, UpX is a leverage play on Pulse itself, already on 17 million market cap. ATROPA, the benevolent wallet that's going to help PDAI reach to $1, which is 1,000 plus X's away. PTGC, taking advantage of those arbitrage bots that are literally paying 5% per tax. Everyone's making money here. Everyone. And Pulse itself, look at this. Huge pump, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. It's scary. It's scary. I remember when it used to be like, I think right now it's going to be million pulse will cost almost 100 right now. It will cost almost $100, and that day will come soon, and I'm scared. It's like, whoa, now I need to hold pulse itself. You know what I mean? That's how scared I am actually right now. But my main thing, ladies and gentlemen, is the wrapped BTC. Low supply in token supply. It's crazy. You know? This, with enough attraction, look at that liquidity, how small it is. This can go up in time. And obviously you got other stuff like I'm holding, you know, SRF, Sens Research. This is the first and only donation that Richard has done with, you know, Sacrifice. Gave away 27 million to this foundation. And obviously this token is not made by the actual foundation themselves, but it's a renounced contract made by someone that donates on a weekly basis to the foundation from the 1% transaction fees. So really great cause, and as well, really great investments, honestly. And you got Spark itself. I literally invested down here. I'm very lucky actually. So that's like a 50%, which is great. Spark, you know, could be the top 3 dexes on Pulsechain, but obviously PulseX is going to be top 1 still. Teddy Bear, greatest meme coin in Pulsechain, potentially of 2024, all of crypto. Teddy Bear, bringing people over from Ethereum. Literally, they're like, whoa, look, there's a tweet that actually, here it is. This guy spent 12,000 on Teddy Bear, ladies and gentlemen. It's a whale coming in, most likely from Ethereum. Welcome, we love Ethereum users. We are Ethereum. We're coming, the whole point, if you actually search up Richard Hud, the main reason he wanted to do Pulsechain is to actually alleviate the weight and gas fees from Ethereum to come over to Pulsechain and help Ethereum. We're neighbors, ladies and gentlemen. We're brothers, actually, because I told you, you know, it's a fork of Ethereum. Literally, we're brothers. Crazy stuff. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, I don't want to take too much long of your time. Enjoy your day with this great news about the Bitcoin ETF. Let me know if you've enjoyed this video. Honestly, it's kind of unscripted. Oh, there we go. That's the post I was talking about. 11 spot Bitcoin ETF tickers are currently being added to the Bloomberg terminal as pending listing. Trading will be ready tomorrow. Crazy stuff. And then this, when you cheat your teddy bear at the low and now you can't get your old position back. Oh, that hurts. Okay. Anyways, and look at it. Look at my holdings right now. This is my to watch list. I'm not necessarily holding every single token here, but everything, you can realize everything that's to do with PulseX is pumping. Look at this, 25, 45. What a green day for us. What a green day for us, ladies and gentlemen. Where did the ETH go? Oh, that's another meme token that I really am holding. I'm like top 20 holders, I think. Really great. Like, it used to be at 2 point something dollars and now it's at 20 cents. So like we're talking 10x away from all-time high. Really great. You know what I mean? It's a meme. Imagine, where did the ETH go? Ooh. Imagine when this actually becomes more of a truthful, you know, more of a truth joke. You know, the power of memes, guys. You guys already know. Sometimes it outruns the power of utility itself. Okay? So, yeah, anyways, that's the highlight that I just wanted to make. Really great stuff. What a great day today. This is a big win for crypto space as a whole, by the way, not just Pulsechain. And yeah, anyways, I'm going to end the video there. I hope you guys enjoyed. I just want to give you a nice and simple. And yeah, I'm very tired. I'm going to go eat something before I go to sleep. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. And yeah, I love the Pulsechain community. I'm a proud Pulsechain Maxi. I will continue making videos and more education videos. So let me know, give me your honest feedback of this video. Link in the description. Comments in the comment below. I mean, what do you think of this video and stuff? You know, did it help you learn more about Pulsechain? If you are new to it, genuinely join my Telegram, link in the description, the farmers community, where we got 300 members talking about this, answering your questions. I'm going to be there. Say hi to me. So don't feel like, okay, you've left out with this video with more questions than answers. Come to my Telegram, ask me those questions. I will take my time to answer you as well. Okay? Any concerns, anything, let me know. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for your time. You can support me by becoming a member today and becoming a DeFi Insider. And you get access to the members only videos. So you get that as well, which actually gives you back that value back in Intel. You act like a whale until you become a whale. 2024, are you going to be one? Anyways, take care, ladies and gentlemen. Bye-bye.